Very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Of course. What's your name?
Alex,
Roy. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
like,
Yeah, like what country?
Cuban, Peruvian.
For real? Oh, wow. You been to Puerto Rico?
Yeah, I have.
How was it?
It's gorgeous.
Really? How long were you there for?
Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
I mean, I was with my guys.
Yeah, just vacation,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah. I've probably been there like four times and like these.
What was the highlight? Best activity?
Probably the forest.
The forest.
Yeah.
You had to rent a car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm planning on going
That's nice.
as soon as I can for at least a week.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. You recommend?
I definitely do.
Would
Yeah.
you go again?
Oh, 100%.
Let's go together.
I don't go on trips with people I just meet.
I know, but let's grab food and get to know each other, and then
I can give you my Instagram if you'd like.
what about a number?
Just get comfortable.
That's true.
Yeah.
true. Bet.
What's your name?
Roy.
Hi, Rose.
Yours?
Alex.
Alex.
Nice to meet you again.
Like Alexandria?
Alexandria, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
But you like Alex? Yeah.
I'm see you. I'm gonna
Oh, Instagram. My bad. Psychological, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know exactly.
Get in your head a little
That
bit.
was actually really good. I almost filmed it.